When it comes to building wealth, there's one powerful tool that can work wonders over time: compound interest. You've probably heard of it, but do you truly understand how it works? In this video, we'll break down the magic of compound interest and show you how even small savings can grow into big wealth over time. By the end, you'll see why compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. Ready to unlock this financial superpower? Let's dive in. What is compound interest? To begin, let's quickly define what compound interest is. Compound interest is the interest you earn on both the money you initially deposit and the interest that money earns. In simple terms, it's interest on interest. Let's say you invest $100 at an annual interest rate of 5%. After the first year, you would earn $5 in interest. But here's the key. When you keep the money in the account, the next year's interest will be calculated not only on your initial $100, but also on the $5 interest you earned last year. This process continues year after year, and over time, the growth becomes exponential. How compound interest works over time. Now you might be thinking, how does that actually grow my wealth? The answer lies in time. The longer you leave your money to grow, the more powerful compound interest becomes. Let's take an example to make this clearer. Imagine you invest $1,000 in a savings account with a 6% annual interest rate. Here's how it could grow over time. Year 1. Your $1,000 earns 6%, which gives you $60 in interest. Your balance is now $1,060. Year 2. Now your $1,060 earns 6%. That's $63.60 in interest. Your new balance is $1,123.60. Year 3. Your $1,123.60 earns 6%. That's $67.42 in interest. Your new balance is $1,191.02. As you can see, the interest you earn keeps increasing each year because it's based on your growing balance, not just your initial investment. This is the power of compound interest in action. The role of time in growing wealth. The key factor that drives the magic of compound interest is time. The longer you let your money grow, the more dramatic the effects. Let's take a look at how different time periods can impact your savings. If you invest the same $1,000 at 6% interest, but leave it for 20 years instead of just 3 years, the results are astounding. After 5 years, your balance grows to $1,338.22. After 10 years, your balance grows to $1,790.85. After 20 years, your balance grows to $3,207.14. That's over triple the amount you started with. And the longer you let it sit, the more your money works for you. The power of starting early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Let's take a look at an example of two people, Sarah and Alex. Sarah starts investing $100 every month at age 25. She continues until she's 35, meaning she invests for 10 years. In total, she invests $12,000 over those 10 years. Let's say she earns a 7% return on her investment. Alex, on the other hand, waits until he's 35 to start. He invests $100 every month, but continues until he's 65, meaning he invests for 30 years. In total, he invests $36,000. He also earns a 7% return. At age 65, who do you think will have more money? Surprisingly, Sarah. Even though Alex invests for 20 more years and spends 3 times as much as Sarah, her early start gives her the advantage because her money has had more time to compound. By the time they're both 65, Sarah will have around $150,000, while Alex will have around $135,000. This example highlights the importance of starting early. Time is the biggest factor in allowing compound interest to work its magic. How small contributions can lead to big results. The beauty of compound interest is that it doesn't take a huge lump sum to get started. Small, consistent contributions can have a major impact in the long run. Let's say you contribute just $200 a month to an investment account earning 5% interest. Here's how it adds up over time. After 10 years, you'll have contributed $24,000. But thanks to compound interest, your balance will grow to approximately $39,000. After 20 years, you'll have contributed $48,000, but your balance will have grown to about $82,000. Notice how your contributions grow exponentially over time, even though you're only putting away small amounts each month. This is the power of compound interest. It doesn't matter if you don't have thousands to invest. Consistency is key. The danger of waiting too long. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting to start saving. They believe they need a large amount of money to begin, or they think it's too late to benefit from compound interest. But waiting can cost you big time. Let's say two people, John and Lisa, are in their 30s. John starts saving $500 every month at 6% interest, while Lisa waits until she's 40 to start saving the same amount. By the time they're both 65, John will have over $1.2 million, while Lisa will only have about $750,000. This is a direct result of starting earlier, and it's a clear example of how procrastination can rob you of compound interest's power. Don't let that happen to you. Real-life example of compound interest. Let's take a real-world example that shows just how powerful compound interest can be. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people in the world, is often cited as an example of the power of compound interest. He started investing at age 11 and has made billions by allowing his investments to compound over time. What's incredible is that the vast majority of his wealth has accumulated after the age of 50. Buffett's secret? He started early, and he kept his investments growing. Even if you don't have billions to invest like him, you can still apply the same principles to your own finances. The magic of compounding, a real-world impact. As you can see, compound interest is a game changer. Whether you're saving for retirement, a big purchase, or simply building wealth over time, this powerful concept can help you achieve your financial goals. The best part? It's not about making big, risky investments. It's about starting early, being consistent, and allowing your money to grow over time. You don't need to be an expert investor to take advantage of compound interest. Small, regular contributions can lead to big results in the long run. How to maximize compound interest. Now that you understand the basics, how can you maximize the benefits of compound interest? Start as early as possible. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to compound. Be consistent. Whether it's $100 or $1,000, regular contributions matter more than large lump sums. Reinvest your interest. Don't withdraw the interest or earnings from your account. Let them compound. Choose the right investment. Look for accounts or investments that offer competitive interest rates or returns. In summary, compound interest is a powerful tool that can turn small savings into big wealth. The key is to start early, be patient, and let your money grow over time. The magic happens when you give your investments enough time to compound. So, don't wait any longer. Start today, and let the magic of compound interest work for you. If you want to start building your own wealth using compound interest, now is the time to act. Start small, be consistent, and let your money work for you. And remember, the earlier you start, the more powerful your savings will be. If you enjoyed this video and want more tips on personal finance, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our future videos. Share this video with friends and family who could benefit from learning about compound interest, and let's grow our wealth together.